Imagine looking up at the night sky, your eyes tracing the constellations, and realizing that among the countless points of light, there are worlds orbiting distant suns, some of them not so far away in the grand scale of the universe. Just over 4 light-years from Earth, a faint red star, Proxima Centauri, quietly shines. It's the closest star to our solar system, and for decades, astronomers wondered if it might host planets of its own. In 2016, their hopes were confirmed, and the world took notice. Proxima b, the exoplanet discovered orbiting this tiny star, instantly became one of the most intriguing finds in modern astronomy. It is the closest known exoplanet to Earth, making it a cosmic neighbor in a universe filled with distant mysteries. The discovery was no accident. It was the result of years of painstaking observation and analysis. Astronomers detected a subtle, rhythmic wobble in Proxima Centauri's motion, a telltale sign that a planet was tugging at its star, hidden from direct view but leaving behind a cosmic fingerprint. What made Proxima b so compelling, so different from the thousands of other exoplanets discovered so far? It's a rocky world, slightly more massive than Earth, suggesting a solid surface where land and perhaps even oceans could exist. Its size and composition make it a tantalizing candidate for further study. Even more exciting, Proxima b orbits within its star's habitable zone, the region where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. This is the key ingredient for life as we know it, and it's what makes Proxima b so fascinating to scientists and the public alike. At just 4.24 light-years away, Proxima b is, in cosmic terms, right next door. It's close enough that for the first time we can realistically imagine sending probes or even people there in the distant future, making it a prime target for exploration and dreams of interstellar travel. For the first time, humanity had found a potentially Earth-like planet close enough to envision visiting, perhaps even within the reach of technology we could develop in a single human lifetime. The possibilities seemed endless. The discovery sparked a wave of questions. Scientists and dreamers alike began to wonder about its true nature. Could Proxima b have an atmosphere thick enough to protect it from harmful radiation? Might there be liquid water on its surface? Or is it a barren, windswept rock? Could it even harbor life, perhaps simple microbes or something far more complex? The questions are as profound as they are exciting. Proxima b became more than a distant data point. It became a symbol of our longing to find another world like our own, a beacon of hope and curiosity shining just beyond our reach, inviting us to keep searching the stars. Why did Proxima b cause such a stir? The answer lies in what it represents for humanity's search for life beyond Earth. For decades, astronomers have scanned the skies, hoping to find a planet that checks all the boxes for habitability. When Proxima b was discovered, it immediately stood out as a potential game-changer. It sits in the so-called Goldilocks zone, the region around a star where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. This just right distance is crucial, because too close and water would boil away, too far and it would freeze. The Goldilocks zone is where the conditions might be perfect for life to take hold. Water is essential for life as we know it, so astronomers always ask, could this planet have it? On Earth, wherever we find water, we find life, from the deepest oceans to the driest deserts. That's why the presence of liquid water is the first ingredient in the recipe for life. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf, much cooler and dimmer than our sun, so its habitable zone is much closer in. These stars are the most common in our galaxy, and their planets could be everywhere, making discoveries like Proxima b even more exciting. Proxima b orbits just 7.5 million kilometers from its star, completing a year in only 11 days. That's incredibly close compared to Earth's orbit, but for a red dwarf, it's right in the sweet spot for potential habitability. Its size and location made it a tantalizing candidate, a rocky planet in the right place, with the right conditions for water. Unlike gas giants, rocky worlds like Proxima b could have solid surfaces where life might emerge. The pieces seem to fit. An Earth-mass planet orbiting in the habitable zone just next door. It's the kind of world we've dreamed of finding, one that could be more like our own than any other discovered so far. The hope was that we'd finally found an Earth 2.0, a world where life might be possible. For scientists and dreamers alike, Proxima b became a symbol of possibility, a reminder that we might not be alone. The discovery ignited dreams of finding a true neighbor in the cosmos, sparking new questions and inspiring a new generation to look up and wonder what else might be out there, waiting to be found. The announcement of Proxima B's discovery in 2016 sent shockwaves through both the scientific community and the public. Here was a rocky planet, at least 1.3 times Earth's mass, orbiting the nearest star, close enough to imagine standing on its surface. The idea of an Earth-like world so close by captured imaginations worldwide, fueling headlines and speculation. Scientists ran simulations exploring whether Proxima B could have a stable atmosphere and liquid water. Early models suggested it was possible under the right conditions. The planet quickly became the focus of interstellar exploration projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to send tiny probes to the Alpha Centauri system. Suddenly, Proxima B wasn't just a distant dream, it was a real place, a target for future missions. The hope was that within decades we might see actual images of this nearby world. For a moment, the universe felt a little less lonely. But as excitement grew, so did the realization that Proxima B's environment is far from friendly. Proxima Centauri is a volatile red dwarf, notorious for violent stellar flares. In 2017, a super flare from the star blasted Proxima B with radiation thousands of times stronger than anything Earth experiences. Such flares could strip away a planet's atmosphere, leaving it exposed and barren. Without an atmosphere, any surface water would quickly vanish into space. Even if some atmosphere survived, the radiation would make the surface hostile to life as we know it. The dream of a tranquil, Earth-like Proxima B faded, replaced by the image of a world battered by its star's fury. Life, if it exists there, would face monumental challenges. Amid the hype and excitement surrounding the discovery of Proxima B, physicist Dr. Michio Kaku's name often surfaced in headlines and news stories, sometimes even misquoted as confirming the existence of life on this distant world. The media frenzy painted him as a spokesperson for extraterrestrial life, but the reality is more nuanced and fascinating. In truth, Dr. Kaku's focus is not on sensational claims, but on the journey itself, using Proxima B as a powerful catalyst to ignite humanity's passion for interstellar exploration. For him, the real story is about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and inspiring a new era of discovery. He champions ambitious projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which aim to send fleets of tiny laser-propelled probes racing across the vastness of space to Proxima Centauri at an astonishing 20% the speed of light. These miniature spacecraft, no bigger than a microchip, could reach our nearest stellar neighbor within a single human lifetime. For Kaku, the quest to reach Proxima B is about more than scientific curiosity, it's about humanity's long-term survival. He believes that becoming a multi-planetary species is essential if we are to safeguard our future against threats both known and unknown that could one day endanger life on Earth. He advocates for a step-by-step approach, beginning with robotic exploration. By sending swarms of nanocraft to scout, analyze, and send back data from Proxima B, we can learn about its environment and potential before ever considering sending humans. The immediate goal isn't to send astronauts just yet, but to take the first real tangible steps toward the stars. Each mission, each probe, brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Proxima B stands out as a logical first target, a reachable world orbiting our closest stellar neighbor. Its discovery has already inspired technological leaps and bold new ideas in space travel. Kaku's message is clear: let's turn science fiction into reality. By daring to dream and innovate, we can begin our journey beyond the solar system, transforming what once seemed impossible into the next chapter of human achievement. The real revelation isn't just what we might find on Proxima B, but what the act of reaching it could mean for us all, a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and our unending quest to explore the unknown. In 2020, Proxima B's story took a mysterious turn when astronomers detected a strange, narrowband radio signal from the direction of Proxima Centauri. Such signals are rare in nature and often considered potential signs of technology, prompting excitement about possible alien origins. The signal, dubbed BLC-1, sparked global speculation and intense scientific scrutiny. Researchers meticulously checked for interference, considering every possible Earth-based source. The signal's frequency drift added to the intrigue, but after months of analysis, the truth emerged. BLC-1 was not a message from aliens, but a case of human-made radio interference. The episode was a reminder of the rigor of science. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The whispers from Proxima Centauri turned out to be echoes of our own technology. As of July 2025, the consensus is clear. Proxima b is likely a hostile world, not an Earth twin. Its star's relentless flares probably stripped away any atmosphere and surface water long ago. The planet is likely tidally locked, with one side scorched and the other frozen, a barren, irradiated wasteland. This sobering reality has reshaped our understanding of habitability. The habitable zone is not enough. A planet's star must also be stable and calm. Proxima b's story has shifted astronomers' focus to quieter stars even if they're farther away. Still, some hold out hope for life in protected niches, underground or beneath thick ice, but there's no evidence yet. For now, Proxima b stands as a cautionary tale, a fascinating world, but likely silent. The search for life continues, guided by the lessons learned here. Despite Proxima b's challenges, the search for life is just beginning. New tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, are revolutionizing our ability to study distant worlds. JWST's infrared eyes can analyze exoplanet atmospheres, searching for water, methane, and other biosignatures. While Proxima b is hard to study directly, JWST is already transforming our understanding of other planets. The next leap is coming. NASA's planned Habitable Worlds Observatory will directly image Earth-like planets around Sun-like stars. Using advanced coronagraphs and star shades, it will search for signs of oceans, continents, and life. These missions, along with ever-improving ground-based telescopes, will bring us closer to answering the question, are we alone? The search is moving from speculation to direct observation, fueled by innovation and curiosity. The story of Proxima b is a microcosm of science, hope, discovery, and hard-earned lessons. It's forced us to rethink what makes a planet truly habitable, beyond just the Goldilocks zone. The search for life is about understanding our place in the universe, and even lifeless worlds teach us about our own. By studying planets like Proxima b, we learn how rare and fragile life may be, and how precious Earth truly is. The quest continues, building new telescopes, launching new probes, and inspiring future explorers. Proxima b wasn't the end, but a new beginning, a lesson that prepares us for the next discovery. The universe is vast, and we've only just begun to explore. We must remain curious, hopeful, and keep searching. The next breakthrough could be just around the corner.